First question, how many objectives of physical education are there? And the options are option A 4, option B 5, option C 3, option D 2. Okay, I am repeating. Option A 4, option B 5, option C 3, option D 2. And the right answer is 5, option B. Next question. What is the aim of physical education? 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 And the options are option A physical development, option A physical development, option B mental development, option C motor development, and option D all round development. Option A physical development, option B mental development, option C motor development, and option D all round development. And the right answer is option D all round development. Next question is, sports management is based upon option A efficient and talented officials, option B smart and clever officials, option C weak and greedy officials, and option D none of these. And the answer is excellent and talented officials. Next question. For a reporter, what qualities are desired most? For a reporter, what qualities are desired most? Option A sweet speaking skills, option A sweet speaking skills, Option B, soft speaking skills. Option C, excellent speaking skills. And option D, beautiful personality. Cut your call and then join again. Cut your call and join again. And the answer is excellent speaking skills. Next, what is the scope of coaching? What is the scope of coaching? What is the scope of coaching? Options are option A, social parks. Option A, social parks. Option B, health clubs. Option B, health clubs. Option C, hotels. Option C, hotels. And option D, all of these. And the right answer is all of these. Next question, Thomas Cup, THOMAS. Thomas Cup is related with which games? Thomas Cup is related with which game? A, hockey. B, judo. A, hockey. B, judo. C, badminton. And D, football. A, hockey. B, judo. C, badminton. D, football. Do you know which game? Any guess from your side? Guessing judo. Thank you for guessing, Sogaria. And thank you also to Rifa for guessing, but it is the right answer, badminton. Next, where was first Khelo India held? 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 Khelo India Games. Where was first Khelo India held? And the options are Mumbai, A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Hyderabad, A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Hyderabad, and D. Kolkata. And the right answer is B. Delhi. Next question, when was the first Khelo India Games held? It should be where. So, when were the first Khelo India Games held? When were the first Khelo India Games held? And the options are 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. So, Korea, any guesses? So, Korea, not maybe, it's right, 2018. It is the right answer. 2018 Khelo India Games were held at first time. And any guesses who stood first in this game? Delhi. Delhi stood first in this game. Now, chapter number 2 from Olympic. So, the first question is, when were the ancient Olympic Games stopped? When were the ancient Olympic Games stopped? And the options are A. 776 BC, option B. 776 AD, option C. 394 BC, and option D. 394 AD. Options are 776 BC, 776 AD, 394 BC and 394 AD. Which one is the right answer? (776 BC from South Korea). Any another one? It's 394 AD. The right answer is 394 AD. 776 BC is the starting of ancient Olympic Games. In 776 BC, the ancient Olympic games were started, and 394 AD that games were stopped, and that games were stopped by the Roman king Theodosius. Next question. The ancient Olympic games were started the ancient Olympic games were started to the honor of the ancient Olympic games were started to the honor of God, option A Hercules, option A Hercules, option B Shiva, option B Shiva, option C Zeus, and option D Theodosius, and option D Theodosius. And the right option is God Zeus, Z-U-E-S, Zeus. Next question. IOC, International Olympic Committee, IOC, International Olympic Committee was formed, F-O-R-M-E-D, IOC, International Olympic Committee was formed (1886), 1884, 1892 and 1880. 1886, 1884, 1892, 1880. And the right answer is 1884. Next question. The modern Olympic Games were started in the year of 1884, 1885, 1886 and 1887. The modern Olympic Games were started in the year of option A 1884, 1885, 1886 and 1887. And the right answer is 1886. Next question is, how many তোমারটাই তুমি যেটা বসো ওটা আছে তোমার ইয়েতে ড্রাইভে দেখো, ড্রাইভে একদম ওখানেই আছে, স্কাইপি অনলাইন notice routine. কেউ ডিট হলো ওটা যদি ওখানে না থাকে তাহলে দেখো ডেস্কটপে আছে, ডেস্কটপে এক কপি আছে ওটা। Next question, how many rings Olympic symbol has? How many rings Olympic symbol has? Thank you Sokaria, it's 5. You need no options, it's 5. Very good. Olympic symbol has 5 rings, 5 interlock rings. Five interlock rings. That 5 rings represent 5 continents, and that continents are Asia, Europe, America, Australia, and Africa. And the 5 interlock means interlock represent the unity of between them, and you can say that the friendship between the continents that represent the interlock rings. Next question, where is the headquarter of IOC? Where is the headquarter of IOC? Where is the headquarter of IOC? The options are New York, B. Switzerland, C. Paris, D. France. New York, Switzerland, Paris, France. Thank you Sogaria, it's Switzerland. Next question, who was the first president of IOA? Who was the first president of IOA? IOA means Indian Olympic Association. Who was the first president of IOA? And the options are Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sir Dorabji Tata, C. Bhupender Singh, and D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sir Dorabji Tata, C. Bhupender Singh, and D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the right answer is Sir Dorabji Tata. And the full name of Sir Dorabji Tata is Sir Dorabji Jamsetji Tata. In the year of 1927, he became the first president of IOA. And in the year of 1928, Bhupender Singh became the president of IOA. Next question, in which year IOA was formed? In which year IOA was formed? and the options are 1927, 1926, 1928, 1925. Options are 1927, 1926, 1928, 1925, and the right answer is 1927. Next question, who is known as father of modern Olympic Games? Who is known as father of modern Olympic Games? Who is known as father of modern Olympic Games? And the options are Perry de Coubertin. Very good, Sogadia. And the full name is Baron Perry de Coubertin. Baron Perry de Coubertin is known as father of modern Olympic Games. Very good. Now from chapter number 3. Next question is, how many components do physical education have? How many components do physical education have? Sorry, physical fitness. How many components do physical fitness have? Options are 3, 4, 5 and 6. 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the right answer is 5. Next question. The percentage of fat, bone, water and muscle. The percentage of fat, bone, water and muscle in human body is called option A, muscular endurance, option B, muscular strength, option A, muscular endurance, option B, muscular strength, option C, body composition, and option D, flexibility. Option A, muscular endurance, option B, muscular strength, option C, body composition, and option D, flexibility. And the right answer is body composition. Next question, the ability of body to execute movements, to execute movements with greater range with greater range is called option A strength, option B flexibility, option C body composition, and option D stamina. Option A strength, option B flexibility, option C body composition, and option D stamina. And the right answer is flexibility. Next and last question. The ability to overcome resistance, the ability to overcome resistance, the ability to overcome resistance is called option A muscular strength, option B muscular endurance, option C flexibility, and option D body composition. The ability to overcome resistance is called option A muscular strength, option B muscular endurance, option C flexibility, and option D body composition. And the right answer is muscular strength. So these are the questions, MCQ questions from chapter 1, 2 and 3. Today is this much. In next class, I provide you some few questions answers from next chapter. Till then, bye for today.